The 5 best Android forums for help and discussion. Looking for help with your Android device? When tutorials aren't enough and you need timely guidance from people using the same phone as you, an Android forum is a smart option. There you can find like-minded users interested in customizing their phones, highlighting undiscovered apps, installing custom ROMs, and more. Ever found yourself looking for help, searching for advice about the best apps, or which device to upgrade to? Often, you'll have stumbled across an Android forum. These forums are packed with useful information, including tricks for using your phone or tablet more efficiently. The following Android forums are among the best sites on the web for Android phones and tablets. As a bonus, many of these forums have an associated blog, so you can subscribe to the feed or newsletter and keep abreast of the latest Android news too. Android Forums has a great general forum for Android topics, along with boards for major devices. Phones, tablets, wearables, and TV boxes are all accounted for. But it's not only about the hardware. You'll also find discussion and support boards for apps and games. So if you're running into trouble with a particular app, you can share the error message to get an idea of the problems. Meanwhile, you can also share your custom apps to get some feedback. Android Forums also offers a mobile app using TapperTalk, enabling you to stay in touch from your Android device. XDA Developers has a long history, even predating Android. Back in the day, it was the home of hacks and custom ROMs for Windows mobile devices. However, with the arrival of Android and retirement of the old Windows Mobile, the forum moved largely to Android. This is the home of Android hacks, custom apps, tips, tricks, and custom ROMs, often based on AOSP. You'll find boards for almost every Android phone and tablet here, giving you clear instructions for your actual device. If you're interested in rooting, hacking, and flashing ROMs, the XDA Developers Forum is the place to be. For added interest, the forum also has a regularly updated blog. This is useful for finding news on recent developments. Android Central is a huge website for Android fanatics. While the popular Android Central forums cover most devices you can think of, the service is massively popular. Most Android Central discussion boards have had new posts within the last hour. It may not be as technical as XDA Developers, but Android Central nevertheless has a strong reputation. It also covers news, Amazon Prime deals, and has a marketplace for users to buy, sell, or trade Android devices. It's huge, too, so take your time when you make your first visit. The Android Central Forum is almost a whole website in its own right. Like a real old-school discussion board, Droid Forums runs on forum software and even displays news items in the forum style. There's a lot going on here, from device-specific talk to platform-specific, such as Fire OS, Android, or AOSP, and carrier discussions. You'll also find plenty of places to talk about apps, rumors, tech news, and even stray off topic. Need support for your device? Droid Forums is another Android phone forum with a good tech support community. As the name indicates, it's intended as a community for Android app developers. The specific aim of the group is to discuss developing Android applications using the Android SDK. Get help with troubleshooting apps, advice on implementation, and strategies for improving your app's speed and user experience. Discussion forums feel a bit outdated these days. In fact, it's a surprise so many still exist for Android. But the retro vibe of discussion boards isn't the only way you'll find top-quality Android chats. Many Android sites have Facebook pages. But what about groups? These discussion group-type Facebook pages require you to join them first. But once you're in, it feels just like a forum. Android Fire Stick support, if you're having trouble with your Android device. TV box, or Fire TV Stick. Head here. Twitter has tens of millions of users, so homing in on relevant conversations can be tricky. The secret to this is hashtags. While you'll find many Twitter accounts related to Android, such as the accounts for the forums above, you can use the hashtag Android hashtag to save time. Use this when you're posting a question or search it to help people find solutions. No doubt it will also prove useful when finding relevant people to follow on Twitter. For a more traditional forum-like experience, you can rely on Reddit, one of the biggest websites on the internet. Here, you'll find several subreddits that act as dedicated Android forums for newcomers and veterans alike. Android, this is a great subreddit for anyone interested or actively engaging in developing apps. What is Reddit and how does it work? How do you start using Reddit as a beginner? We'll walk you through it. We've brought you some of the best Android discussion forums on the web, covering every aspect of Android interest. 3 social networks also have a big Android presence. In short, you shouldn't ever have to go without any Android user interaction, so long as you have access to the web, looking for something specific in an Android forum, but don't have the time to search all boards individually. Try one of these forum search engines. Some of the best information on the web can be found on message boards. Try these forum search engines for searching them today. Text source, makeuseof.com.